Hi fam, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Queen Chilemaya, and this is Chilemaya Empire. To my returning subscribers, you know that I love and appreciate you a whole lot. Please, if you're new here, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my videos so that other people will benefit from it. Drop your feelings down in the comment section and please turn on your bell notification icon so that you can get notified whenever I post new videos. Today we'll be discussing an important topic: why my YouTube channel wasn't growing and how I fixed it. Yes, why my YouTube channel wasn't growing and how I fixed it. It's actually a tutorial video, kind of, and you can still call it a normal video because I know in my previous, I think my first video, I promised that I will be giving you tutorials about my YouTube journey. So today I want to share with you the things that made my YouTube channel stagnant, stuck for so many years, and why it wasn't growing, and at the same time how I fixed it to be able to be okay. Right now my YouTube channel is doing well, even though it's not at the point where I visioned it to be, but it is doing well compared to how it was. Okay, so but I can say that I have solved so many of the problems that I was having in the channel, and that is what I'm going to be sharing with you in today's videos. I actually wanted to share this because I know that there are so many people that are making the same mistakes up till date. Even till tomorrow, people will still make such mistake. But I want to just make a video of it and show what my regrets are, the things that has made it stuck for so many years, and how I was able to fix it. So having said that, without further ado, let's dive into today's video. So having said that, let's get into the third error that I was making. The third error that I was making on my channel is not being consistent. Inconsistency on my own path. You know, when I first started, I never cared about being consistent. In fact, I will upload a video today and it will run into weeks or months before you see me again. And let me just clear the air. Being consistent doesn't necessarily mean that you will post a video every day, even though it's very good. If you can, if it works for you to post every day, it is good. Being consistent actually means being steady and reliable in delivering the quality content that is important, relevant to your target audience. I'm very sure you already know who your target audience are. Those people that are loyal and committed to your type of content. So you can be consistent by posting once every week, twice every week, 3 times every week, depending on what works for you. That's why I always say in all my videos, do what works for you. Do you, don't do another person, because I may be posting every day and it's because of probably I can, and you that has one thing or the other that will delay you from posting, you want to post every day. So the basic thing is, as you have said to your audience, probably you have told them that you'll be posting once every week, be consistent with it. You can be consistent by posting once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, every day, every 1 hour, anyhow. So but the one you said you would do, just do it and be consistent with it, okay? So that YouTube will see you as a serious person, or you'll see your channel as a serious and hard-working channel. The fourth thing is posting random content. You know, when I first started, just like I said before, when I first started, I didn't have any content in mind. I didn't have any niche in mind. I didn't have any style of content. Let me just put it that way. I was virtually everywhere. I was everywhere doing random things. Today I would do comedy, tomorrow I would do so many things at the same time, okay? Which confuses the YouTube algorithm, because the YouTube algorithm will not know who are your audience. Even if they ask you don't even know your audience, okay? So, but at the same time, I'm not saying that you must niche down to one thing. I mean, there are so many things every human being wants to share. Sometimes you want to share your experience, your life, real life things, and all that. But even if you don't niche down to something, there is something your passion says. Do that thing, more of that thing your passion says. Even if you will come to post probably vlog of how you visited the Queen Elizabeth in London, even if you will come to post it, at least do what your passion says. Do more of what your passion says in your channel. Okay, you must not niche down to one thing, but at least even if you're doing 2 things, 3 things, do more of that thing that your passion says, so that YouTube algorithm will find it easy to push your videos and know the target audience, the people that actually need that thing. Okay, so posting random content also made it was an error on my own part. So that's the way I fixed it, is by finding my niche and finding exactly what I am good at doing. Yes, from time to time you can now post, probably just like I'm doing now. From time to time I post like tutorial video of my journey, my YouTube journey. From time to time you can post a vlog of how you visited Trump in US. Okay, so there are so many things that you can do in your channel, but make sure that it is more of what your passion says. Okay, so that is it. The fifth error that I was making on my YouTube channel is not making research. Okay, when I first started, I never bothered about making research because, of course, I wasn't into any niche. I was everywhere, and most of the time I was doing videos from already created content, from already made content, mostly from TikTok. So there was no need for research. What am I researching for? Am I researching for something that someone already did, and I'm just using the voice or the audio there to just recreate the drama there? Okay, so there was no need for any research until I started making my own original content. Then I saw the need to research. Okay, and it was at that time that I noticed that researching can even help you in scripting. It can help you in optimizing your videos. So researching is key. Researching is key. I cannot overemphasize the importance of making research when you want to create content. Make research and then you'll just be on the right track. Okay, the sixth error that I was making on my YouTube channel is thinking that I must acquire all the expensive equipment before I start. You know, this particular one has dropped a lot of time for me and is still dropping a lot of time for some people who actually think that before you can post a video online, you must have all the expensive equipment. Okay, you know that everyone knows that expensive equipment, those equipments are very, very nice. I mean, they are beautiful. If you see videos that was shot with an expensive equipment, you will know, and they look lovely. Okay, they look so nice. I mean, who knows like better thing? So, but what I'm saying is there is a but there. Don't let expensive equipment delay you from giving those values that you know that people are actually waiting to hear. There are things that are in your mind, you just want to dish it out. There are things that comes to your mind that you want to give out. There are skills that you want to give out. There are things you want to teach people. Don't let expensive equipment, because you cannot afford it at the moment, don't let it delay you from giving out those valuable contents that people are actually waiting to see. Okay, don't wait for equipment. Don't allow it to delay you from giving out those valuable content. You know, human brain is always busy, and most of the time an idea doesn't stay fresh always in the brain. Okay, so start dishing out those valuable contents that is in your mind as it is hot. Start dishing them as it is hot, now that it is still fresh in your brain. Okay, and with time you will improve by equipment. Okay, because take it or leave it, if you have a fine background without a content, a valuable content in it, people will just, they will just watch your background and go. Okay, but it is better to have valuable content. Then you know that what you are looking for is the equipment. So it is better for you to have a valuable content first, and then you know that what you're struggling for is the equipment. That one can easily be gotten. So start dishing out those amazing values you have in your brain now that it is still fresh. Start dishing them out as it is hot. So with time, you can improve by getting those equipment, because believe it or not, many people care less about your beautiful background and more on the values you bring to the table. Fact. The seventh error that I was making on my YouTube channel is not optimizing my videos. You know, there are so many lazy mindsets in this whole thing. That lazy mindset that will tell you, just upload video, just upload it, no need to put all of those, to fill all the forms. Just like I call it, I literally fill form when I want to upload video, because I will first of all go through my YouTube studio, the website, to upload it. That's in that space, you write the title, the descriptions. You know how you describing your video is always not that easy, but because you know what the video is all about, you will always describe it to the best of your knowledge. So you do the titling, the descriptions, you put all the thumbnails, you check the children space, whether it's meant for children or not. You do things about end screen, adding cards, playlist, and so many things. You have to literally fill all those forms there, just like I call them, it's form. You fill all those forms. So people are not always that patient to go through that procedure to fill up a form before uploading your videos. Some people just come to a normal YouTube app and just upload their video and just give it one title, just like that. So optimizing your video is very, very necessary. You have to know the kind of title to give it, how to describe your videos, how to put hashtags, the related hashtags that are okay with the particular content you have created. Okay, so all of these are the things you should do, and then making sure that you tick where necessary, whether you have altered the content, whether it's something that a real human being didn't do. These are the things that you will find during the process of uploading a video. Those things are called optimizing your videos. This literally makes people, or makes people to see your video fast, and makes YouTube to also push your videos. Okay, so optimizing your videos is very, very necessary. Don't be a lazy one like me, who used to just upload video just like that, and it will just go, let me just upload it and get into something else. Okay, take time. If you have created that, if you have taken time to create that content, take time to fill up those forms and tick where necessary, and fill up where necessary. Put all those things. It is very important to that video. Okay, there are parts where they even tell you what's the date you created the video, where is the location. So if you can fill up all those things, they are very, very necessary. Hashtags, everything, they are necessary for that particular video. You don't want to just take time and create a video and you just quickly just upload it where nobody will see it. So take time to optimize your videos, because it is very, very necessary. Okay, that's been said, let's get into the last but not the least of the error. The last but not the least of the errors that I was making on my YouTube channel, okay, is copying too much. Yes, copying too much. You know, I laugh at myself when I remember this one, because I was literally copying some people's walking step, tone of voice of the people that I admire their content, their tone of voice, their body language, the way they speak, the way they talk, the way they walk. not knowing that these are the things that describes their own brand, okay, and that I needed to build my own brand and community. And when I realized that I was actually copying people's brand, which can never be mine, okay, I started to build my own brand. I started to build my own original content. I started to do things that, yes, that I can own and say, this is mine. This is mine. Okay, I started doing those things. And to a great extent, I will tell you that there has been a significant positive impact on my YouTube journey. So I am very grateful that I was able to get the knowledge of all of these things and the mistakes that I was making in order to be able to fix all of those things. So to you that are still making my fellow small YouTubers, my fellow new YouTubers, you that is still making those mistakes that I listed, okay, you need to stop doing those things and start looking for a way to fix your channel. Start looking for a way to fix it back. Start looking for a way to make it free of violations, free of copyrights, free of whatever things that has to do with anything that can delay you from monetization. Just run away from it. Run away from people's content, especially the ones that has copyright on it. Run away from it. I heard that the people that used to do get a video of Big Brother Niger, that they no longer do it because copyright have been attached to it. So that's why I always tell you, do what works for you. Run away from people's content so that you will be on the way to monetizing your channel. Okay, so these are basically the reasons my YouTube channel wasn't growing, why it was stuck at one place. Almost, I can't remember why it was stuck at a particular small place for almost 9 years. And having learned that, I was able to correct the mistakes and fix it back. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. I hope it solves your problem. I hope that those in my shoe, wearing my shoe, the shoe that I was wearing before, the shoe of YouTube channel not growing or stuck at 0 view or 0 subscribers, I hope that this video has been able to solve some of your problems, and when you implement it, you will see a significant and positive change on your YouTube channel growth. Okay, so having said all of that, I wish to announce to you that we have come to the end of today's video. So if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button to support your girl now. Like and share my videos so that other people will benefit from it. Drop your feelings down in the comment section so that we can teach, learn, and grow together. Please feel free to drop any topic you want us to discuss or talk about down in the comment section, and I will gladly work on it. Finally, don't forget to turn on your bell notification icon to be abreast with new videos. Having said all of that, thank you so much for following me on this journey. Thank you so much for watching my videos. See you in my next video. For now,